I wake up at 5 a.m. every morning. I get out of bed and take a shower. I have breakfast with my family. I go to school by bus. I do my homework. I have lunch at 12:30 p.m. I go to my home at 3 p.m. I watch TV in the evening. I have dinner at 7:30 p.m. I go to bed at 9 p.m. I am studying English right now. I am chatting with you on my phone. I am sitting at home. I am learning new vocabulary. I am paying attention to my homework. I am thinking about my routine. I am practice grammar with example. I am focusing on my English class. I am reading the sentence carefully. I am trying to improve my English skills.